Hi Trishti, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, thanks.
Okay, that's great. So let's get on with our case. So
Yeah.
today I want you to guess and estimate the number of refrigerators that are sold in India annually.
Okay, so just to clarify, refrigerators can be sold for domestic as well as commercial use. So should I focus on both kinds?
No, just concentrate on the domestic refrigerators for now.
All right, so I'll use the demand side approach here.
Okay, that's interesting. Go on.
Okay, so the number of refrigerators sold should depend on two things. First of all, the refrigerators sold in order to replace the old ones, and the demand created due to the growth of the refrigerator market this year. So I'd like to estimate the size of the refrigerator market first.
Okay.
Right. So the population of India is close to about 140 crores. Assuming that four people in the household on in an household on average, which brings it to 35 crore households. So I'd like to break down the demographic into metropolitan, that is tier one cities, then tier two and tier three cities, and finally villages. So let's assume that 50%, 15% of the population lies in metropolitan and tier one cities. 20% of the population lies in tier two and tier three cities. And finally, 65% of population resides in villages. May I go ahead with this?
Yeah, carry.
Okay, so I'd like to further segment each of these into low, middle, and high income groups. So in tier one cities, 15% of the population would be in low income category. About 65% would be in middle income category, and about 20% would be in the high income category. In tier two and tier three cities, I'm assuming that 40% of the population would be in the low income category, 50% would be in middle income, and 10% in the high income category. And finally, for villages, I'm assuming that 60% would be in the low income category, 35% in the middle income category, and about 5% in high income category. Is it safe to assume these?
Absolutely. So now that you've bifurcated the demographics of the country, how would you like to proceed from here?
Right. So next, I would like to estimate the penetration of refrigerators in each of these income segments. So since a refrigerator requires 24/7 electricity and it would be expensive for villages, hence only 50% of the high income segment would be able to afford them in villages. Uh, Further, I assume that 60% penetration would be in the low and middle income segments in tier two and tier three cities, and 100% penetration in the high income segment. And finally, in metro and tier one cities, I assume that there would be an 80% penetration in low income segments and 100% penetration in both the middle and high income segments. Can I go ahead with this?
Yeah.
Okay, so based on these calculations, the market size of all the three segments comes to approximately 5 crores from the metro and tier one cities. Then about 4.5 crores from tier two and tier three cities. And finally, from villages, it comes to about 0.5 crores. So this brings the total market size of refrigerators in India to around 10 crores.
Okay, so that seems like an accurate figure. How would you proceed from here?
Okay, so now that I've estimated the market size, there are two parameters to take into account while estimating the sale of refrigerators. first is the number of units sold to replace the existing ones, that is the replacement demand, and then the sale due to growth in the market. So based on observation, I would like to assume that the average life cycle of a refrigerator is about 10 years. And can I assume the growth in the market to be 5% annually?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so based on this, I calculate the total sales of refrigerators annually to be about 1.5 crores or 15 million.
Okay, so we can close the case here. The actual demand of refrigerators in the market in 2019 and 20 was 14 million, which is pretty close to the figure that you've come to. So good job. And thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.